sky. On the edge of giving up, letting go tonight. I have waited long enough. When I close my eyes, I can hear the sound rising from the crowd. Wanna let it out, 'cause it's starting to change from a spark to a flame. I want fire, fire, burns bright, I'm fighting to reach it, but the higher, higher, I fly and fall into pieces inside. Even when it's hot, even when it's high, never gonna quit, never gonna stop. Fire, fire, tonight I'm lighting up the black sky. Oh, I can feel it burn, 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 but I won't go back again. Oh, I can feel it burn, 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 but I won't go back again. Fire, fire, burns bright, I'm fighting to reach it, but the higher, higher, I fly and fall into pieces. I want fire, fire, burns bright, I'm fighting to reach it, but the higher, higher, I fly and fall into pieces inside. Even when it's hot, even when it's high, never gonna quit, never gonna stop. Fire, fire, tonight I'm lighting up the black sky.
So then guys, it is finally finished. The F-14 Tomcat by Revell. It's painted, the stickers are on, and she's ready to join the other aircraft that I have in my room. And as you can see, I put in a lot of detail into this aircraft. This is probably the most detailed for a tiny little airplane. This is very detailed. Probably the most detailed aircraft I've done for an airplane of this size. Very interesting indeed. But unfortunately though, there were a few stickers though, some of the big ones that I was supposed to put on, but couldn't put them on in the end because of where they were pushed, because of where they're supposed to be pushed. For example, these grey stickers here, they're supposed to be put on the wings, as well as another pair of grey stickers. I think I had them somewhere here, but yeah, like this one for example. Like this grey sticker here, if that is a grey sticker. Yeah, that's a grey sticker, alright. It was supposed to go on one of the engines, at the back of the engines here, but I couldn't put them on there because where they were placed, I couldn't. The paint was blocking. The paint there was blocking the place where I had to put the stickers on, so that way I couldn't be done. Also, putting on these number 200 stickers was a bit tedious, but I managed to get them on in the end. Though it did take a bit of practice and patience. Though was very keen. Was a virtue when putting the 200 stickers on. But in the end, though, I managed to get them on, and now this F-14 is looking beautiful. So that is part 3 of the F-14 Tomcat, and I have no other projects, or I have no other model airplanes next in line. So if you have any ideas as to what model airplane I should do next, be it from Revell or Airfix, then just leave it in the comment section down below. But until then, viewers, thank you for joining me on this 3-part video of making the tiniest airplane on the list. This airplane will go on to the as this airplane will join the other airplanes on my room. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot one last thing though. Sorry, I almost forgot. The wings here. Remember my last part where I was amazed by how flexible the wings were? Well, since I've added on the paint, I've lost the airplane has lost the ability now to flex its wings. But nevertheless, though, the aircraft itself looks great. But I tell you what, imagining seeing this airplane as a DLC for a DCS, that would be amazing. So this time, thank you for joining me on this 3-part video on the F-14 Tomcat. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any ideas, be it from Revell or Airfix, as to what model airplane I should do next, then just leave it in the comment section below. And until then, goodbye.